Hello, we're going to make a burglar alarm.
A burglar, not a burger.
It's a burglar alarm. Patrick, a burglar they hope buying burgers. For certain people. What do you want? Right, that's what you want. What do you want? A battery? There you go, a battery pack. Or do you want to use Duracell? Duracell will last longer. They last longer. Much longer. What colour's 16? What colour? Green. Green? You're lying. I can't find it. He's on the booze again. What colour?
I just said green, didn't I? It's 15, sorry.
Oh, 15. I can't find it.
Firstly, the name of this film and the actor at the right of the picture, appearing in one of his 7 Oscar-nominated roles.
That's 51. It's a 50, it's a switch. It's not a switch. Oh. We're missing it. There you go. It was upside down.
Oh, you're gay.
Richard Burton, the Burns. It was Richard Burton,
Yeah,
who was a friend of Virginia Woolf.
6. What colour's a 6? Blue?
Oscar-nominated roles.
That's 7, that's 6. And here's the equipment we're using. If you want to purchase it, it'll be $59.99 from all good leading stores.
And some crap ones.
Yeah. And cook at corner shops as well.
And finally, the name of this film and the actor appearing in one of his 7 Oscar-nominated roles.
All good corner shops. Well,
7, please.
there's a what were they again? 17. If you'd like to purchase this, it'll be $59.99, and it's called Hot Wires, the plug and play electronic set.
22.
Oh, I got it for Christmas 50 years ago. I'm trying to purchase, I'm trying to get them to like it.
I'm trying to contact
We are making a burglar alarm. Like a burglary, sorry.
Food miles is right, yes.
20 is the speaker, that'll make it go wow wow.
In each case,
Yeah.
I'd like you to name the specific type of subordinate adverbial clause expressed in
If you'd like to, at all good leading stores as well, you can always also buy bags of hay.
251.
Buy bags of hay.
Oh, you're fucking shit.
Number 21.
It is.
I said 2 and 50.
Secondly, although people are articulate, their ability to analyse their
They
own
connect us 52. I'm trying my hardest. 51, there's 51, that's 50. You said 51, I'm looking at
I've already got
it. Well, when he's looking, bags of hay, they're only $5.99. Iron. And try it out today. Thank you. Try out bags of hay. You always have one, don't you? Always have one in your back shed just in case of the storm. He does. Don't write to the public.
17, please.
Don't write to the public.
It's a lie.
Is it a red one like that?
Yes.
It's that one. You can also purchase CDs. I don't know, it's blank.
Copies on there.
Pirate copy.
Please involve that.
No, don't. I live at 46 Albert Close if you do want to though.
21, please.
What colour?
Blue.
Blue? Fucking blue. Try my hardest. And you just run my hard effort down the drain. Down the plug hole. Oh, and with this hot wires, you do have all the good booklet. What blue? You have a good instruction booklet. You can make up to about, I don't know, over 100 action-packed experiments involve light, sound and movement.
Find it first. Grey.
Are you doing that one?
Good.
Oh, we're doing the light one.
Oh, right.
It's
right.
tile. Well done.
Don't do that now. Yeah, so we need 3.
Your bonus is
Oh, what? That was close.
bacteria corpus, which common gut
I was so sorry about that.
intensively studied and taken its name from the German
We need 2.
Theodor Escherich, born in
Give me it, N.
E. coli.
Cheers.
That's right. What name is given to the independently replicating
This is enjoyable.
DNA molecules which
I'll
carry
have the
genes in
lemon.
addition to those carried by the bacterial chromosome?
What colours are them?
Plasmids. Plasmids is correct.
Yeah.
Plasmids enable genes to be
And we are watching, if you can hear in the background,
form of gene transfer.
a university challenge. Where all the universities challenge.
Horizontal, horizontal, lateral is right.
You want to connect it?
Brown, now for your music study, you're going to hear an extract from an American spiritual song. 10 points if you can identify the name of the singer.
Everyone be quiet then. Shush. Yeah. You done it wrong.
Bonus questions, 3 more spiritual.
That's a pile of wank, isn't it?
Title of the song. Here's the first.
Build a circuit. Hello. Yeah, sorry. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Use Duracell. They last longer. You don't want an advertisement? Okay, you put over them.
It's my experiment. Hello!
Is it working now?
What a waste of fucking time. Why do I
What a
fucking
waste of
bother?
fucking time.
Why do I bother?